Hey there. So today I'm going to be walking through the Python course within Companion, pretty much from scratch. So how you would see it if you were coming on and making an account for the first time, going through the quiz and then seeing the results we get and seeing what module we're prompted to. So basically, come on here, let's make an account. Pretty straightforward. So from there now, I'm comfortable with taking the quiz, so I'm going to do it. So, 14 questions. Again, I'll probably go through this very quickly and I'll skip a few questions just for the sake of the video. But yeah, let's see. So this should print 13 true and true. Okay, so that's an int. So that's 3 plus 4, 34. So that's going to be 7 and 34. Okay, given A equals to 0, B equals to an empty list, C equals to a 0 as a string. Okay, in this case that would be C. And then, so yeah, you get the sort of idea. I might skip a few of these, but I will say let's just do this coding question for the sake of the demo. But implement a sum even that returns a sum of even integers in nums. Nums is a list of integers. Okay, great. So for IDX in nums, if IDX okay, cool. And then from there, we could actually go ahead and test this. So, this is the cool thing. It's within the browser. You could test it, and that was sort of the expected response. So that's good. Okay, so fix for first character, so it returns the first character or none if S is empty. So, okay, right now it seems to be printing. So we could change this to now return none. Cool. So I'll probably skip through a lot of the other ones, just for the sake of demo. Yeah, this is definitely gonna take more time, I'll guess here. And then I'll skip this, and then I will skip this as well. So let's. Oh wow. Okay, so we did relatively the amount of questions we skipped. 8 out of 14. So let's see what the AI recommends now, right? So the AI is gonna basically say, all right, we recommend you pursue the course. Kind of makes sense. From there, the student's foundation in very basic syntax and is satisfactory. However, errors and gaps in responses related to types, operator use, and more complex list and loop tasks reveal a need for structured practice. So beginning at the arithmetic operations module will enforce operations, type interactions, and set a firmer base for tackling more complex problems. Great. So, and then it gives you a strength and your weaknesses. And then from there, all you do is you press start at recommended module. And then so now you're prompted back to the course. And then if we just press all, so you notice how the AI pretty much said we could skip hello world and we could skip variables and data types. But I guess based on my incorrect answers or me skipping a few of the questions involving arithmetic with functions and the multiple choice questions, it recommended me I start here. So this is the module we're going to start with. The first two we could ignore, and then from there we proceed to the exercise. You're given the notes and then examples which students could run, and you always have access to the tutor where you could ask whatever sort of questions you want. And yeah, this is how this works. The cool thing is there's only about 4 to 5 notes, and it's very exercise based. So after this common pitfalls, you're immediately given the exercise, and you won't be prompted to the next module until you've demonstrated, until the AI feels like you've demonstrated enough competence, understanding of the current module. And that's largely based on the AI plus the ELO score. And each exercise is personalized, so based on, you know, if I get this right, the next one might be a bit more difficult. And then, you know, let's just say I get this wrong, the ELIF score drops, and the next one, as you can see, is addressing or touching upon that same concept. And so from there, you know, you do it, and then you'll be then prompted to coding exercises along with others. So this is the core gist of this. And yeah, this is how this course works online. Again, this is 100% free. Feel free to try it out. And if you want to use this also in your own projects, feel free to, you know, get the VSCode extension if you already are comfortable, which is also free. And you can integrate this within VSCode and use it on your own projects as a tutor. Thank you.